Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Fire, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing review about a Bova DSLR camera kit. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. So let's get started. So in the outside, we have a little handle to carry it with you, and I'm gonna start unboxing. So we opened it. Inside we have two things. One is a little bag and other one is tripod case. I'm gonna take the bag first. It's not too big. And we have the other one, tripod case. I'm gonna put the box down. So first I'm gonna unbox this black bag first. First we have a little strap and another small one, and we also have the logo, and we have 1 2 3 4 pockets. So I'm gonna open this one for an example. You can use this bag as a DSLR camera bag. I'm gonna open this big pocket. Inside of it we have some stuff. First we have the camera strap for your camera. And LCD cleaning solution, memory wallet. You can keep 4 memories for your camera, and microfiber cloth, 2 screen protectors, some cotton swabs, and some lens tissues for your lens. So that's all, guys. And we also have another pocket. You can put some other stuff there, and we can adjust these little pockets where you wanna put it. I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna start unboxing the tripod case now. So here we have the tripod case. You can see the title, Bova, and we also have a strap in this case to carry it with you as a bag. I'm gonna open this case. We have a little tripod. After you unlock these locks, you can adjust the size. Like this. This tripod is professional 50-inch tripod, so it's good to use for videos and images. And we can adjust the size by this one. That's that lever. Just have to turn it, and yeah, this is the max height, 50 inches. And the main things in the tripod is you can adjust things like rotate up and down, left, right. And this is a 360 tripod. You can turn it 360 angle. We have this little like the nut to connect your camera. We can take it out to by pulling that lever, and you can put it back. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. You can help my channel to grow up by pressing subscribe button, hitting the like button, and also sharing this video with your friends. Also make sure to click that bell icon so you can get my latest videos.